Hi Ochara, fáilte chuig an bhíseán seo le Let's Learn Irish. My name is Alana, and today we're going to learn how to count people in Irish. We use specific words while counting people in the Irish language. To say one person, we say duine amháin. Duine amháin. Or you can just say duine. Duine. For two people, we can say beirt. Beirt. For three people, we can say triúr. Triúr. For four people, we can say ceathrar. Ceathrar. For five people, we can say cúigear. Cúigear. For six people, we can say seisear. Seisear. For seven people, we can say seachtar. Seachtar. For eight people, we can say ochtar. Ochtar. For nine people, we can say naonúr. Naonúr. And for 10 people, we can say deichniúr. Deichniúr. So that's it. That's how you can count people from 1 until 10. And just to recap on that, for one person, we say duine or duine amháin, then beirt, triúr, ceathrar, cúigear, seisear, seachtar, ochtar, naonúr, deichniúr. I hope you enjoyed this short video. For more phrases and information, please go to letslearnirish.com by Fáilte.